I made a compilation of all my neck cracks, back cracks, shoulder cracks, toe cracks, ankle crack, foot cracks, tailbone cracks, sacrum cracks, all the cracks you can think of, all into one video just for you guys. Sit back and relax and enjoy all the tingling sensation for your ears. Hello, Rico the Wedding Singer here. I'm going to teach you guys how to crack your neck with a pull-up bar. And there's two main things. Having your grip on the bar shoulder width apart, like right about here. And then the second part is to have your neck do a strong yes nod. So wham, for the neck crack. Alright, let's get to it. Let me show you how it's done.